What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use the ATR indicator, the best way to use the ATR indicator in your trading strategy, even as a beginner or as a professional trader. And let's get started guys. So guys, one of the biggest misconceptions guys of how to set stops and targets. I see a lot of people placing their stops at random locations, which is not bad, placing your stops at a previous level previous market structure level, which is not bad, right? But one of the best ways I've found to actually place my stops and target is using the ATR indicator. Guys, this ATR indicator can relieve, like, can take a lot of stress off you if you get to understand how to use the ATR indicator to place your stops and targets. Let me get into that in this video. Let's get started. So like I said in my last video that I'll be doing an ATR video on how to use the ATR. So this is it guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And also guys, only a small percentage of you guys who watch my video actually subscribe. So if you enjoy this video, please make sure to smash the like button, share and subscribe, and leave a comment on which video you want to see next, and I will make sure I make that video. And let's get started. So first and first, you want to put the ATR indicator on your chart. You go to the indicator and you search for ATR, but I have that in my favorites list, so I just tap on ATR and there it is on my chart. So I'll be using the same strategy I used in that video, which is a break and retest and engulfing candlestick, which is price action. So in this video I'll be going through that same strategy, but using the ATR in depth on how to use the ATR with that strategy. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. You can see at this point there is like I said, you want to wait for the market to break out of the 200 EMA line after a trend down. You can see the market was trending down at this point, then the market broke out and came back to the broke out from the down, like it was below the 200 EMA at this point, and it broke out and started trending up again. So now we're waiting for a break and retest. So at this point, some people will argue that okay, there's a break because there's a new low at this point, so there's a break right at this point. But guys, look at this retest. Look at this. This is an engulfing candlestick. Like I said, let me draw that down. You want to pick your rectangle tool, and this is for those that don't know what I mean by break and retest. So let me draw that out for you guys so you guys can see it. So this is it, a break and retest. So you want to see the ATR value of this engulfing candlestick at this point, which is 83. So let's say I want to use a 2x ATR, which is 83 times 2. Or guys, you can use a 1.5, you can use a 1.3, you can use a 2.5. Guys, it depends on what you want to do, but I usually like to use a 1.5 to 2x the ATR value. But guys, for this one, I'm going to use a 1. Okay, let me use a 2x ATR value, so which is 8 times 8, 16, 160, 166. So our stop loss is going to be 166 for a buy. So where is it? Okay, yeah, this is it. So a buy for a 166 ATR value. So you come to the stop level. Guys, I'm using my mobile phone. My PC is bad. So as you can see guys, this is a 1 point. I use a 2x ATR, I meant to say. So where will our stop be? At this point I can't see any highs, so I'll just randomly target. I just randomly guys, I usually like to target a 1.5 to 2x. So as you can see at this point, a 1.5 or 2 hour was a win. So this is a 2 hour. So 2 hour, 1.5 hour was a win. So let's wait. Let's look for a new entry. So at this point guys, you can see that the market made a new high and came down and made a new low. So right now I'm looking for a retest of this structure at this point. So as you can see, we are literally waiting for a retest. And guys, if you remembered, I traded gold with this strategy, and it worked on gold. Like I said in that video, it works on every single market. It works on the crypto market, it works on the stock futures market, it works on the currency market, it works on commodities market. It literally works on every single pair. Well, it worked for me on every single pair. I don't know, but when I traded this strategy, it works on every single pair. And using the ATR has really saved my life because I could set my stops at the previous level of structure, but based on the volatility in the markets and not taking note of the ATR value of those candlesticks that are recently forming, I could get whip out, like smashed out of the market, out of the trade, and the market will just take off and go in the direction I intended it to go to. So you can see that there was no retest. Guys, this is an engulfing candlestick at this point, but as you can see, it failed. Why? Because it is not retesting this structure. All right, so guys, the more you wait for the retest, the more you filter out bad trades like this. So as you can see at this point, there's a retest, which is this engulfing candlestick, which is an engulfing candlestick, which is an engulfing candlestick. All right, so our ATR value is a 91 ATR, so let's say a 99 18 2, that's 182 ATR stop loss value. So let's see, 192, oh sorry, 182, I guess. I'm bad at maths. 182. So as you can see, guys, 182 is our ATR, is our stop. So let's see our target. Obviously, guys, I don't need to say this, but this was a win. Even if you used a 2 hour or a 3 hour, or let me show you guys that this was a win. You can see this is a 3 hour, but I don't do 3 hour. I was just saying this is the 1.5 was a win. A 2 hour was a win. So guys, what is there to say again, guys? This is one of the best trading strategy out there, using the ATR for your stops and trading with the price action strategy that I've showed you guys in my previous videos. So the ATR basically makes your life easy. Instead of you taking stops at random locations like previous levels of structure, which is not bad, like I said, but taking note of the ATR and how volatile the market is a really good thing. And I recommend you guys try to understand how the ATR works and see how you can better understand and use it in your trading strategy in general, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. So if you enjoyed watching this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, because I will be making more videos like this, and I'll be doing a giveaway very soon. Probably in my next video, my next 2 videos, I don't know, but make sure you subscribe, like, share, so you can get notified when that comes out. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed, wonderful day. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Peace.